Security is a fundamental building block for the connected society, and it needs transparency. That's why the Keyfactor community empowers developers with free and open source software for public key infrastructure, digital signing, and cryptography. Try it out and learn best practices how to secure your applications from start. Security should not be an afterthought. The Keyfactor community doesn't only offer free access to our open source software, but also opportunities to share knowledge and solve problems through our forums and online resources. Meet our experts and your peers through the community and get access to seasoned PKI veterans. So what is Keyfactor Community? It is developer-led and open to everyone, offering community editions of EJBCA, SignServer, and Bouncy Castle, as well as supporting tools such as Ansible playbooks for automated deployments. Let's take a closer look at the open source software. EJBCA is one of the most used PKIs in the world. The Community Edition covers all your basic PKI needs, such as certificate management, registration, and enrollment via CMP, SCAP, and REST APIs, and of course, certificate validation using OCSP and CRLs. SignServer Community is our server-side signing platform. It signs code, documents, timestamps, and supports many signing formats. EJBCA and SignServer can be run as containers from Docker Hub or can be downloaded from GitHub and built from source. Free trials of the Enterprise editions are also available on the AWS and Azure marketplaces. Bouncy Castle is the most used FIPS-certified cryptographic APIs in Java and C#. It allows developers to implement virtually any security-related function, including post-quantum cryptography. Bouncy Castle is available on GitHub and from bouncycastle.org. Our extensive online resources help you get up to speed. Learn how to install and configure using our complete online documentation. Browse our blog, tech updates, and white papers to get the latest news and deepest insights. Join a webinar or training to learn from the experts and get started with your security solution. And when you want to discuss and report an issue, you can always go to our GitHub forums. Having access to source code makes developers much more efficient when developing new integrated solutions. I'm talking from personal experience here. I'm very excited to welcome you to our community. You can try our software for your applications, you can connect with PKI experts, or just play around. This community is for you.